Hi boys and girls, we're going to talk about private and personal information. What types of information do you think are okay to share publicly online? Here we are on the nic.com website and we're going to see what they require for you to register. So let's go ahead and sign in. And I'm going to sign up for a new account since I don't have one. So first I need to tell whether I'm a boy or a girl and then choose a username. But let's say I don't want to click on any of those. I'm going to press next. Let's see what happens. So it's telling me that both of them are required. So I'm going to write girl and I'm going to sign in. Let's try tech teacher. Okay, so tech teacher. All right, I'll do fourth for fourth grade. Let's try next. Then it asks me, okay, it tells me I can have this username. Now I need to select a password. So let me say, now, and it then asks me for a password hint, okay? So for example, what was the name of your kindergarten teacher? What was your grandmother's name? Where were you born? I might choose that one. Now look on the side, it tells you, we'll ask you this question if you forget your password. So now it's telling you that it is required, but just in case you were to forget, you can use this question to help you. So as you know, was born in Minnesota. And then I'm going to read the privacy policy. And this just tells all the rules that are to go along with it. And also the terms of use. Again, another type of about rules and staying private. And once I've read them, I click them and then I submit. Oh, okay. So I can't use that password. So let's see if now I can use it. Okay. Let's try one other password. So it's telling me that I need to have a stronger password. Now this is kind of the bummer. Okay, now it tells me that it tells me all the information that I need in order to log on. So now I click finish and I'm set, I'm ready to go in. So all it asked me for was a few simple things, a username, a password, and a specific question in case I were to forget my password. Let's look over here on bookadventure.org.com. All right, and let's see what happens when we log in to register here. Okay, so we're going to register now. Okay, so it's going to ask me then, am I a student, am I a teacher, or am I a parent? Now let's say I were one of you and I'm a student, so I'm going to click on student. Now I want to register using Becaventure for school, or do I want to use it for home? So let's say I was at home and I wanted to see what I could do at my house. So as you can see, all of these have an asterisk next to them. An asterisk means you need to put it in. And then over here we have things that say optional, where you don't have to. So let's look at the types of things they ask you that you have to put in. Your first name and the first letter of your last name and what grade you're in. You also here need to make a username and a password and then say the password again. And also again, just like in the Nick website, you're making a hint question. Now notice over here something different is you must put in a parent or guardian, someone who takes care of you. It's the email address. And again, now notice your birthday here, whether you're a boy or a girl, what country you live in, and the state, those are all optional questions. Now, after seeing these two websites, I want you to take time to reflect about the information that is required. Remember the ones that had the asterisks next to them. And why? Why do you think it's required? What information is optional? Why do you think they made it optional? And why do you think websites ask this kind of information?